he spoke well about his detest for foreign intervention, foreign funding, foreign influence in our elections. As a chief correspondent at ZBC, do you have latitude also to investigate foreign funding of ZANU-PF? For instance, I can give you examples. The fact that people like Moxon, who I think is an alien in my definition, bought all the cars that ZANU-PF used in the 2013 elections. And currently we see a Vice President, Morgan I hear there's a Morgan Emerson Nexus. Dr. Mandaza spoke about that. So we might end up having a Morgan Mnangagwa leading this country. But we are also aware that Vice President Emerson Mnangagwa is very close to some aliens who have been funding ZANU-PF, Dole Rutenberg, for instance. He is also even flying when he's doing his command agriculture investigations in a private aeroplane provided by one of these aliens. And we know that command agriculture is a big campaign issue. So he's using foreign funds to campaign. As a chief reporter at ZBC, do you have latitude to expose those things?
I'll tell you a very interesting thing. Tell us.
Sorry, we're waiting for the last question. Yeah.